Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. Fulani don show one of the weapon wey they get wey they want to fight southern people. And that weapon na food. They don't stop to dey carry food go south. They say make southern people come compensate them for everything wey they don lost for south. The question now, wetin south get to take prove say they fit still do the same thing to them for north? Make I leave you with Apostle Alfred Uyinosa, the man wey dey talk am as e be.
Yeah, hello everyone. Good evening, good afternoon, good morning, depending on the location before they connect with us this evening. We thank Baba God for the wonderful things when He don dey do for our life, because not only one they put road for where road no dey, and na only one they talk word when they reach and nobody will fit change am. Now only one I command water make it come out from inside rock so that the children of Israel will see drink. That same God is still there around to turn the situation of Nigeria around. But if we not play our part, it will look us. Well, good evening. My name is Apostle Alfred Uyinosa. My brother deal with me for studio this evening.
Good evening, everybody. Good evening, good morning, good afternoon, depending on where we take the connect with us live again today. Thank God don't give us this beautiful opportunity to see another beautiful day like this. My name still remain Victor Olise.
My people, the matter when they grant this evening, we would address a lot of issues, but once start with this Mieti Allah.
Yeah.
When they say they are blocking food stuff to the south, you know what you do? They could not keep enough food. They could not keep enough tomato. They could not keep enough pepper. They could not keep enough yam. We don't need them. They could not carry and go to that country. We can feel provide for ourselves. So as soon as they keep enough tomatoes and oil, with pepper, we they keep our oil. So the pipe where they carry whether like gas, where they carry crude oil go anywhere from the north, we don't cut them. All man for himself. When I hear so we now want begin a block supply of petrol. They go na end. But we know so na brother don't go to the beauty refinery. Even don't go to the devil talk am now say may they give license to some of them. It's now lead them with the poor for this country. May I tell you on a plan will fail. When I come to South, when I come block road, say no food should come to South, they will come the beggar. I want you use the opportunity to talk to all those South leaders. If you not dare make any broadcast to say, please bring food, we will come after una. Any ruler of any kind, you want to do broadcast to say, please open road, let them bring food to South, we will come after una. Because we will show say now be our problem. I don't want to talk this evening. My brother Victor, we can put up for this matter because we the two can for all of us.
If we say no, we drag the matter go come. Say more drag the matter go come. More we can divide them regions by region. The north no get any stake naturally in food production. If the so-called rulers within the south actually mean well for their people before now. As we all know, say if you want divide the country per regions, you know if you joke with wetin the south, east and west they produce as compared to wetin the north they produce. But because of say those northern rulers, they very smart. They ensure, say they shift the attention of the southern rulers, the eastern rulers, and the western rulers. Shift our attention such that they can sit down for Abuja, they enjoy what they're not supposed to enjoy. Whereas the northern rulers, especially their senators and their House of Reps, especially those ones, they carry the dividends of democracy, go give them for there. Like waiting. We know say the north no get better farmland, and because of that dem dey practice irrigation, 24 hours irrigation. And if you be farmer, if you understand the cost of practicing irrigation, you go know say no be small pikin farming. But these people with support from government, they don dey practice irrigation wey we dey call Fadama 1, Fadama 2, Fadama 3. That Fadama project na project wey suppose cut across all states for this country.
Then the children go only north.
Then the children go north. They carry am come south o.
Our people kill am.
They kill am.
Greedy people.
They kill am. They kill am. You no gree work.
Because those who don't be farmer, the country they be farmer.
You understand?
Those evil politicians.
When they go say make they bring list of people,
They'll bring their family.
they will bring your family when you carry cutlass, your family when you spare hoe, when you spare fertilizer. They will carry the produce or the implements or the materials, put their family name when no be farmer. This na one of the major reasons when don bring down agricultural practice for within the south. Now when katakata come dey happen, the north come dey feel say na dem get monopoly of food production. Una dey joke. Una dey joke. Say dem wan stop to ensure say dey promote interstate trade. Una wan stop am, so to do wetin? To come allow say south, west, east, we no go see the tomato, we no go see onions. Oga, make una keep am.
Make una carry.
Make
I shock you, my brother. The real Fulani no get power to work. You know that way. The real Fulani, they are lazy set of people. Now our people they call Igbira, the Hausa, not they be farmer. Fulani themselves, they don't get power to carry farm. They all are just to carry cow, follow bush, waka, but they don't waka finish. The next thing they just see, they begin to make love with some of those cow finish. They use the cow with till they wash their head. But we try to call it dig hole, to say plants, the Fulani don't have the capacity. Now Igbira and Hausa, now they be the farmer, my brother.
Now he make me eat here and come open him mouth, say they want to stop the interstate trade to ensure say there's a blockage of food to the west, to the south and other parts of the country until wetin even pay me for that statement. Now when he say the lives of their people is not safe.
The Fulanis, wait, una dey craze.
Their life is not safe.
The Fulani that be killing our people. See, my brother, I don't blame them all. Now our rulers now blame. Wetin I talk so? Now our rulers don't believe that because we don't get leader. Our rulers now blame because all of una go dey play to the gallery. When they kill una people, una dey play to the gallery because some of una na give land, give those Fulanis. Some of una na get that cow, una invite them, come in the couple and they train the cow. Now we go dey go. If our time don't come, we will channel all our energy against all of una. Because now cause this nonsense. People, whether they kill una people, they kill una people every day. Una keep quiet. Now they don't tell us if they don't protect.
This na clarion call for everybody. Na clarion call for everybody. Now, we don dey hammer tey for talk am as e be. Say see stakeholders, make una come out, make una talk of wetin dey ground. Why? Because these people, if una understand Fulani agenda well, una go know say those people, na the way they take train them, they get that genetical traits inside of them to migrate from communities to community to go conquer. And they don't do their calculation well. Now say the best thing to do now is to stop the interstate trade. Why? Because they don't ensure, say they don't pursue everybody when they farm for south, come on for farm. And they know say farming not be waiting, you just say I don't enter farm today, food just come out today, they lie. It go take a little period of time depending on what you want plant. And that space when you will say you won't go farm now to go plant, hunger go beat everybody high. So you understand what it means when you have shortage of supply of commodities for market and you have high demand, wetin go happen? That means the price of the commodity, the price of the product, the price of the goods go high for market. And once the price of the goods high for market, wetin go happen? Katakata go happen for that locality.
Do you know, say some of our greedy union leaders, greedy market women, between yesterday and today, they don't inflate the price of tomatoes. One woman, where we go today, the woman said the rubber tomato which she buy on Saturday, I mean during the week, 8,000 naira. He says at this morning.
No, 800 though.
800 naira.
Sorry. He said 800.
800 naira.
35.
This morning, it don't become what? 3,500. Now, most of our wicked union people now, most of our market women now, they want to see opportunity now to make excess gain.
Their eye never see open.
Greed.
Their eye never see open. Say, see wetin dey happen for our country now. See wetin dey happen now. Everybody hold your side.
Greed.
Now we dey so. Everybody hold your side.
Mona go to the tomatoes. We dey plant yam. My brother, this is the reason why we go dey talk to our leaders right now, our rulers. Make una drag all these people comot from our forest, so that our people can go back to farm, so that our people can begin to invest in farming. That's the reason why we dey cry the insecurity in our land is becoming unbearable. Now we dey shout that make people go back to farm. How they want to go back to farm? Where be sure these evil people still dey forest. So now here we will mandate all the rulers, make them come together to ensure say our cities and our village is safe, so that our people can go back to farm. As it is now, we dey talk because so many things wey we dey see. We are not just a religious activist. We don't be honorary. No, we are spiritual activists. We see things ahead of time and we dey talk am as they be. Now, this one a wake up call to all our rulers, because we don't get leaders. To all our rulers, whether political rulers, whether traditional rulers, whether religious rulers, whether stakeholder rulers, any capacity where you belong. This is the time where all of you now need to wake up to stop insecurity immediately, so that our brothers and sisters can go back to farm. Make I tell you, when Miechi Allah, please go with your cow. We are not interested. We have chicken, we have ram, we have native goat,
Fish
we
dinner.
get fish, enough fish, then we get egg, in plenty, we get crayfish. So we get everything that even the cow said they cause sickness, even the cow said they cause cancer, even the cow said they cause high blood pressure. We don't need it. We're gonna go. We can take it, we get bushmeat, we get everything for everything. It day. So now here, our so-called rulers, make una wake up, make una protect una people, make una throw away sentiment, or else, because all of them go there in the receiving end. Even some of them go talk say, okay, we can import. My brother, may I tell you that trap? Victor.
Yes, sir.
Mark today's date down. 1st of March. The next strategy where me when they want come up with, now to pressure federal government of Fulanis, make a shut down border. When I go back, my brother. Waiting I talk. Today now 1st of what? March. When I go right now. Miechi Allah and the people, they go mad pressure on the federal government to shut down border, so that food no go enter the south side. Mona say, my brother, they put mad.
I believe say time don't reach for us to knock our resolution. Our resolution na im be say this na wetin we want when the southern governors must do. This na wetin we want. E no be news say right now, say as we speak across the country, say consultation dey go on across region. This one no be news. Each regions, the east, we know the east before now. The east don dey agitate. The east don already organize themselves. The east, that one, they don already go. The west, those ones, their consultation na day and night e take dey go on as we speak right now. The north, those ones we know say they be betrayal tete. The south, South never even wake up. South never wake up. This na why we dey say stakeholders for this South should come out o. If South no come out, the stakeholders no come out, the youth go come out o.
And if we come out, more than not talk say this youth have started.
If we come out, we go do am the way we take know how to do am. That's the point. If we come out, we go do am the way we take know how to do am. And as a matter of fact, since the north na dem first start am to dey boycott, we sef there's nothing stopping us from boycotting our oil from the south. As we speak today, the fuel price for this country today, some people dey shout since morning say they don dey buy fuel for 200 naira per litre. Some people don dey shout say they dey buy fuel for Abuja 230 naira per litre. Today as we speak. Today as we speak. So now we dey say we too must boycott our own treasure. Since dem don think say na only us be their treasure, we too must boycott our own treasure. Number one. Number two, our resolutions. Number two, that the southern governors must ensure say every Fulani for our forest, we no wan see them, we wan go back to farm.
We no wan see them.
We want to go back to farm, we no wan see them. They don pursue us. We know say they get money, they don use money take buy weapon give themselves.
Because na dey control power.
Yes, we know.
Na dem dey on board.
Our governors make una dey hear o. Why? Because say when Biafra set up IPOB to pursue the Fulanis, una dey shout say they go set up Eastern Security Network. The Eastern Security Network na to help them pursue Fulanis. Make una know say independent body go come set up e own security network. Now come dey shout say they no loyal. We dey talk now. Say make the leaders across south make dem come out, make dem tell all the Fulanis wey dey our bush make dem comot for our bush. Number three, if you know say you be big man for this state, you be big man for this south and you get cow, oga, you be big man, carry the cow enter your compound.
See my brother, rewind that place again.
If you be big man, you be
for
big man,
state, you be a doman.
you get cow, we agree say you be big man, you get cow, and because of that we know say you get big land. Oga, carry the cow go put for your land inside your compound. We no wan see them for inside bush, inside our bush. No, never. We no wan see them inside bush. Our people wants to go back to farm. They should leave. We don't want to do our service again. We don't want to do our service, I beg. We won't go back to farm. And we don't want threats. Why? Because if we smell any threat, we'll fight back. No be this one, Nigeria no be where person call the bear man on the top again. Things have gotten out of hands. We don't the bear man talk am again. If we smell any threat, we'll fight back.
See, make una hear this matter, especially Edo people. When I know say Edo people no dey carry last. If it's said, when I know say we no dey carry last. We dey respect elders, but we fear nobody. When I hear so, we are warriors. We dey respect the father. We dey respect people. Not mean so that will take us for granted. So this one a warning to all our leaders. If in the next 48 hours we will not do anything on this matter, we will come after all of una. If in the next 48 hours, spiritually will come after una. Because for dream, now they see slap. Una children, they will beat una children. We give una 48 hours to call stakeholders meeting. Find a lasting solution. We have good land. We don't need fertilizer. We don't need irrigation. We have everything at our disposal. So we give all our rulers 48 hours to come up with a roadmap, to come up with an agenda to say now, this is what we have been able to do to contain the essences of the Fulanis in our area. Definitely not a spoiled friend. But friend is truth now. It is spoiled friend. What is not good is bad. We need a fear now. We know so that the word is broadcast. Una go say these people who are they, we dey here with you now. We dey here with you now. So we dey give una 48 hours to come out with a plan to curtail the activities of these Fulani terrorists in our society and make una remove them comot for our forest and make una tell those our people when they get cow make dem carry their cow enter their compound because the problem wey una start so una go use una carry am.
As a matter of fact, we don't want bad man talk as I talk am. We don't want bad man talk am at all. And as it dey be, that's what we take talk am this evening. As it dey be, that's what we take talk am. Now with the hammer, saying we need a southern agenda. We need a southern agenda. This should be our roadmap, such that if regions they call themselves go table, say see how we want to move. We go get a blueprint. We go also get a roadmap. See what we get as well. Why we they carry comfortable? Because we cannot continue to open our eyes and receive insults from those set of people who call themselves Beitiala. Those full of people when they disgrace this country every day on a daily basis. We don't want to talk about kidnapping. As we speak again today, they already kidnap again. On a daily basis. They insult this country. On a daily basis. Enough is enough. Nigeria, we know. Nigeria, on a normal ground, we were amalgamated in 1914. And the people who amalgamate us, they tell us, say after 100 years, if una see say the thing no dey move, you people have the right to hold a consultant and then come up with an agreement. And that 100 years complete in 2014. Since 2014, Nigeria is overdue as a nation. One would expect that the reasonable people at the end of affair should call for stakeholders meeting across regions and place the people's interests first. But instead, no, they carry their own. That to carry their children go UK, go school, carry their wife, go. Imagine the wife of the president. Sit down for Dubai for
John leave that one first, my brother. John leave that one
for months.
All our rulers waiting and they specialize to the build university. They build hotel, finish. None of una don't set up a good mechanized farming. What a shame. All of una put together, all our rulers, una don't set up a mechanized farming. In fact, me I know some of our rulers they invest into farm for naught. Brother, you are aware, it shock you. Some of our rulers, some of our so-called big men, they invest in farming in the north. So some of those things when they bring come here, now our rulers, some of them, I get those tomato, those pepper, those onion, those yam. See, the father said we know they talk since, we know everything they sub. But now we will give them back, bomber to bomber.
As we speak right now, the world don't come up for mechanized farming. They don't even practice mechanized farming again. Where would they practice automated farming? You don't need to day farm for things to happen. Now your own have to automate them. You want to set them up. Okay, we get one person for here. Val N Cool, this name be like Chinese name. Say you must respond. You must respond. Your elders, sorry, your word.
I respect my right to.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Let's know what you mean. You must respond your elders and listen to them. Your language is not respectful by the way you give them ultimatum. Okay.
Can imagine.
If this is how you
reason now.
You think you can go about it. Okay, please you be at the other side. So let us be at this end. Let us do it this way. Why you do it the other way you think is best? As far as say we achieve our results. You understand, sir?
I'm not sure say this guy in Nigeria.
No, Apostle, no problem. Let us do it this way. You as well. The best way you think we can achieve this result, you to do it. Our goal now to ensure say we achieve the result. I think you understand that. All right, thank you. So, in a very nutshell, we will dey talk am
as it dey be.
As it dey be.
And we dey talk anybody face.
We dey talk am as it must be. We dey talk am as it must be. Okay. All right, Brother Victor, point of correction. This Nigerian president no get wife.
We know now. That's why I say me know your talk good there.
Wait till we go do now, my brother.
You don't get wife.
You understand?
Bro, just forget. That's why I say me no good there.
All right, thank you so very much. So, for us, our major concern be say now as we speak, this is our agenda. This na be our agenda.
Bros, do you know say that our elders be our problem? Our rulers now be our problem. We hold no man apology. Traditional rulers, religious rulers, political rulers, all of our elders now be our problem. Now be our problem. And this is the time we must say no to this nonsense. Now, we they say we that come out for our foreign sins. Then they say let us then they come and store food. So which means the breakup of Nigeria have started.
Now they
start.
now.
Because we only say make the criminal they kill our people, make them come out from bush. Now what we talk. Then they say, okay, let us punish them with food. Now God will punish you now.
So, no be we now una start am. And when una start so, we wan help una amplify am. And as we wan help una amplify am so, na to just kukuma say make everybody dey go. Why? Because over the years, these agitations don dey for ground. Over the years, we no fit count how many of our brothers and sisters wey don die because of una negligence for governance, because of una selfish interests, especially for the federal government level. Una selfish interest, una don ensure say una strip the good people of Nigeria away from wetin they suppose to dey benefit as a citizen of the country. This na why we say, as una don say, make the food no enter south again.
So fuel no go enter the side again. Mean all the Niger G, all the gas line where they can. Oh, that's why me I will blame Niger Delta now because una too like money. You guys are something else. But then they don't bribe all of una now. Where you Amechi? Oh God.
Oh, Amechi.
I cry for Amechi. I cry for Minister of Petroleum. What do you mean?
To be principal.
Oh, I cry for the other one. Which other one again? Additional.
This one are past tense.
And then houseboy.
The past tense.
I cry for all of you now. I cry for all of you now.
So they be past tense. Oga meitiala make una owe una food.
We don't want.
We gonna hold them. We no want.
We get cocoyam, it plenty.
We no want. I beg. We no want. See, we will manage the one we get till our food go ripe for harvest. We go manage the one we get till our food go ripe for harvest. Right now, as all these things they happen, the South keep quiet.
No, now they go. Wait, those students where they do jam, where did they for example? What I tell you?
Even people when they university, they don't come up for school. People when they university, we don't say education good, but right now as we speak, Nigeria is facing a challenge. Nigeria is facing a national. See, we just dey look at like say na small thing, no be small thing o. Wetin Nigeria dey go through right now. If una understand wetin dey happen under the pillar wey hold the bridge don comot, na one hand like this na him suspend am, one hand. And once that one hand, if you tire that person, go do like this. Phone don't finish.
See all of una, see all the students, now they go jam lesson, now they go GC lesson. I don't get what's this? What's this? They know they laugh all of una. I say all these children now when they say you want to jam, why don't Mona go learn trade? We don't get education. But for now, forget it.
There's a reality before us.
Forget it.
We get reality before us right now. Say this country, old. Everybody depart. Everybody depart. May nobody come our ear when they shout 2023 election. Nothing like 2023 election. Nothing like 2023 election. Everybody they go their way. Who start am? Meisiala. Now then say they won't block food. And because of that, we don't say everybody must go.
No, but Peter, these people, it be like say the law where they govern them is different from our own law. These are the people that be killing innocent Nigeria at will. Every day they keep killing people. The federal government led by General Bubu kept quiet. The same people that be killing people Now you are blocking food. Now God will punish all of you now.
You hear northern governors, they will come out, especially one dirty boy when they call Adamu Gaba. They talk rubbish, say there's no difference between Shekau, difference between Sunday Igboho and Nnamdi Kanu. I look and say, this boy is a crazy person. You see person when they kill people, when they come out they do video against the government. They kill people. You use and they compare people when they come out, they say, lie, this killing must stop. That's to make you understand the way they think.
Back.
They are very myopic in their manner of reasoning. Very wicked people. Wicked set of people. Now when I say we will continue to live together. Live together as waiting. To do anything now. Everybody go your way. Everybody go your way.
Okay, first caller for tonight. Hello, good evening.
Good evening, Apostle.
What else, sir?
To know this your strength, sir.
Amen, sir. Amen, sir.
You are your comrade. You guys are doing trying.
Thank you, sir.
Maybe, sir.
Yeah, I'm just calling to commend you guys, because we now that left Nigeria has not actually left us. We only left the country. We have our loved ones there, we have our parents there. You see, Nigeria, the center can no longer hold for one Nigeria. Nigeria has been long gone. The people who still want the interest of Nigeria, who are still trying to romance and play politics with the life of the federal of our brothers and sisters, are the people benefiting from it. These people are our evil politicians, our pastors, our elders, the kings, the Ojonulays that you see around you. They are the one mortgaging the interest and the future of the common populace. Because they benefit from the present status quo. They will not want it to change. Because if Nigeria break, it will favor the masses. It will favor the people. And they don't be political elites and the pastors, the reverends, the Jews. They do not want it so. Because they are afraid of revolutionary change. They don't know what to bring. Because as it stands, they are the only ones who benefiting. So what you people are starting against is far, far, far bigger than the way you people are seeing it. The people who are crying, who are suffering, are just the normal, common, regular people like you and I. You see these elites, they are sitting in their chambers, in their upper echelon. They are just laughing, smiling. Because they are the ones with the soldiers, the police, in their compound, even their children, even the children of the GOs. They go around with motor, even when they want to travel out of Nigeria. Some they travel with SSS in Nigeria. So you will not expect all these people that are mentioned now to support you on the revolutionary change. It's only when the people, the common man comes together and says, no, enough of all this. We will no longer take it. The kind of action will start. People should stop playing politics with the life of their fellow brothers. The elders in Nigeria, they are so wicked. I'm running out of credit, sir. Maybe I will call again. Maybe we load and call again.
All right.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, sir. Wonderful contribution. God bless you, sir. Thank you. Our rulers are our problem. The money where Chief Edwin Clark take build university, say na good farm now open. By now, we know we dey get problem. The breakup we have been talking about, the northern people have finally break up Nigeria.
Now let's start now.
Now let's start.
Now
let's start.
We help now amplifier.
We go dance follow now.
We blow up.
We go dance follow now. What goes around comes around. You cannot eat your cake and have it back. But it pain me for our so-called certain people. Una so na to go school. School no go through now.
Good evening, Apostle Alfred and Brother Victor.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah, Mr. Dio calling from Bangkok, Thailand. How's everything there?
Yeah, we are fine by the grace of God. Good evening, sir.
I'm very happy to be online with you guys this evening.
Yeah, we're happy to hear your voice too.
The thing is, my contribution to this is we should all please join hands together and beg our Niger Delta brothers. Now that these people have finally channeled their foodstuffs to neighboring countries like Niger, Togo, and others. Hello?
Go ahead, sir. We're hearing you, sir.
Hello?
We are hearing you, sir. Go ahead.
Now that they have finally channeled their foodstuffs to our neighboring countries, they should also please seek for a cooking oil and the crude oil from those neighboring countries. Our Niger Delta brothers should please help us this time. This is the only time we need their help, not others that they have been threatening nations. They will blow this, they will blow that. We need their help this time. They should just blow off those connecting pipelines that connect to the north. They should blow all of them off. Let's divide the resources and know who we beg first. That is the only thing. We all should beg this our Niger Delta brothers. This is the only time we need their help. They should come to our rescue. They should come to our rescue. We don't need them in other days, but now we need them to come and blow up those pipelines that connect the north. Let these northerners continue extracting crude oil and cooking oil and others from their neighboring countries like Niger, Togo, Mali, and others. Their fellow Fulani brothers. That is my contribution.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
May God continue to bless you.
Amen. Powerful contribution. Powerful. We hold no man apology.
No.
See, dead body no dey fear coffee. We no dey fear anybody. And in fact, we know we'll die now. That's the truth. Enough of this sentiment. Enough.
So, wetin be the agitation? Very simple. Not hold your food. Southern brothers and sisters, time to come together. Come up with a resolution. The resolution, number 1, abeg, make all the Fulanis come off our bush. We won't go back to farm. Make them come off our bush, we won't go back to farm. Number 2, if you be big man for South, for Edo State, you know say you get cow. Oga, we agree say you be big man. You get big land. We know say una don't get big compound. We know. More una carry the cow, go una come. Why? Because nobody do una house before. Una wife no dey Nigeria. Una children no dey Nigeria. So more una carry the cows, go una compound. We no want any disturbance inside bush when we dey go farm. Abeg. Number 3, abeg, we for the meantime wan hold our crude oil.
Straight without apology.
They fit hold their onions, they fit hold their tomatoes. Now they start the blockage. Abeg, we wan hold our crude oil. This na very simple clarion call. When we dey present on the table, say this na wetin we want our agenda be this. And we dey use this medium take the appeal to necessary stakeholders, from government to traditional rulers to religious leaders. You know una sef. Abeg, make una start consultation now. If una no start the consultation now, una know say we don't know anything. The youth, una dey tell us we don't know anything. We go start the consultation
By ourselves. And anything una should appear.
And if we start the consultation by ourselves, una know say when small pikin dey feed himself, e dey carry the food, dey touch eye, dey touch nose. and don't want to touch mouth. Na so we go take touch all our body with the food, testing ourselves.
You don't concern anybody.
No be that time I come tell us say no be that's not the right way to eat. As far say small dey enter our mouth.
Quick one. All the southern governor make una launch. Yeah, hello, good evening.
Hello, Apostle.
Good
Yeah, good
evening.
evening, sir.
Yeah, good evening.
Well done, sir.
Yeah.
I be try to put everything in order since. So by tomorrow everything will be okay finish.
All right.
So by tomorrow everything will be perfectly okay.
All right, thank you. Thank you.
Yes.
Sorry, that's what it be. So, operation go back to farm.
Everybody hold your side.
See, all the South governor, make una launch. Let go back to side. Not be to launch school, not be to launch market. Operation launch back to farm. Let go back to farm now. All those mushroom lecture theater close. We don't read rich. We never read rich.
Yeah, but we don't really know for this head.
We don't read rich. We don't overread. Now for action. So all the lecture theater, we don't remove all of them. Back to farm. And as we dey do and so, all the state vigilante from the south side, everybody come together to fish out those criminals coming for our forest. We want to go back to farm.
And if they fish out, if they catch any fool any boy, when they carry any cow, and they come poison and one Edo man, now he get the cow.
Oh, we will come after you.
Oga, go carry your cow now. We dey tell you now. Now go carry una cow. At least the cow wanna get go reach na eat till 2050 or 2060. More than liver, we don't want eat cow again. As a matter of fact, we don't even we eat cow meat. Fish day. Now we get river. Fish day. You want know the amount of fish when Warri dey produce? Well, we get fish. We get crayfish. We get chicken. We get chicken.
More than enough. Turkey, we get
We never start though.
we get pork meat. Pork meat, that is sweet part. Even dog meat. Dog meat, they sweet. Snake, python, they sweet well. You understand? So
We never start though. And the year say they say in just 1 week, we don't lose 10 billion naira for tomato when they waste. We never start. We not carry and go Niger Republic. We not carry and go Mali. We not carry and go Chad. They will buy it there.
make una launch. Let's go to farm. Let's go to farm campaign. Oh yeah, that's all. Let's go to farm campaign. Let's go to
Straight
farm
up,
campaign.
straight up,
Oh yeah,
straight up.
Let's go to farm campaign. Let's go to farm campaign. Make it start now. Let's go to farm campaign. Let it start now.
They
Make it start now.
don't block flow of food. They won't use it. They won't use food. They una think say na wetin una do for Biafra. They think na wetin happen for Biafra war.
That was that level. Don't check.
That one na strategy. That one no be strategy now. That one no be strategy. That strategy don die. E don die tey. It cannot happen now again. It cannot happen now. E no fit happen again. E no fit happen again. Lie.
Even me, even yam now. I want to eat yam. Machine to eat yam.
Na dem get yam.
We get yam.
Na dem get yam.
We dey plant yam. Even beans, we dey plant beans. We dey plant rice. If I will get the best land to take plant onions, it's just that all our rulers, they have been self-centered. They have been playing politics with people's life. Let's go to farm campaign. That be this. Everybody,
They use
me already.
our people against us. Take pursue us comot for farm. Pursue us. Person cry out which day for here on Friday. Say in tomato worth 10 million naira. Cow don enter. On Friday for here, cow enter. Finish everything. Mash everything, finish everything. Why? Because of the selfish interest of our rulers, from government to traditional rulers to religious leaders. Don't bribe all of una. Bribe all of una finish. Una sell the common man out. Sell the common man when the common man don't know anything. Sell those out for a penny.
Money when I will still die live.
For a penny.
Money when I will still die live.
As a matter of fact, Oga Meiti now una start to divide the country. See, we don't help una put hand. We don't put hand though. We don't put hand. All stakeholders for south.
Mona wake up.
Stakeholders, we dey talk am now. We dey talk am. May una not come and come tell us say this youth have started again. We dey talk am, una come out. This one no be time to call the sale. Nobody dey talk calm. We know wear tie. We know wear tie. You know they wear tie for war. We know wear tie at all. We are saying it the way it is. Why? Because we have been rejected and dejected for long in our own father's land. We have been relegated, relinquished, and backstaged for so long, for years in our own father's land. How person go just dey now until full family, until one member enter abroad before family go dey rejoice say they don break yoke.
Let me this call. Hello, good evening. Oh.
Exactly. Odo.
God bless you, sir.
Odo.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So get
Oh, wow, they can't come with the coming and I go save us. Now, brother, continue.
They don push us until when one member, one person for full family go travel go abroad. Travel go abroad. Na that time full family go dey rejoice. Say right now our suffer don end. One person travel go abroad. Una give a work for abroad wey wan go do. And still, truly speaking, that one person go true reach that abroad. It go change the story of a family. Shame no dey catch us for this country.
No more leave this country. We'll talk about the South. Sure.
No. I dey analyze it for the country.
Okay.
I dey analyze what it for the country. No, shame no dey catch us reach. Now you're not saying that we should calm down. We should respect what?
Elders that fail to respect himself, elders that fail to respect the children will never gain any respect from the children. Bible don't talk as a parents provoke not your children to anger. Una don't provoke us, and una will get the consequence.
If we no respect elders, una still say we endure it now. You think we endure till date? When they say they will call for meeting, say they want to discuss about the agenda for 2020, agenda for 2025. One youth no go dey there.
No.
One youth no go dey there.
All the old cargo na
Old people na go dey there. We go dey look them say okay fine, make they go do the meeting finish, make they come out, make they come tell us wetin they do. They will do the meeting. They will come and finish. They go tell us the back side of wetin happen for the meeting.
Wetin they want me to
Wetin they want me to hear.
finish.
Na say we no get patience. Who tell say we no respect?
Wicked rulers.
They don push us reach wall. Na chukuchuku dey the wall. Our back don dey the wall tey. Our back don dey bleed. You come say we no cry come out. Oga no vex o. We must cry come out. And whichever way we cry come out, you must also receive it. You must take am o. Why? Because una push us. Are we going to be discussing this kind of matter? Are they being say this country they were organized? Wetin concern us? Instead, this kind of program now to dey advise government, advise populace on how to spend their finance, how to do this, how to do that. No! On a daily basis, we go dey complain of one thing or the other.
I want to talk to all my Niger Delta youth. Wanna wake up now. All the Niger Delta youth, wake up now. Now. What did I talk? All the Niger Delta youth, wake up now. No be to the collect a gunje. All of the way they different color. Come out now. There is war. This time now to defend your motherland. Quick. All the colors go enter the forest. Remove all the criminal so that people can go back to farming. Sharp. And anybody when he stand on our way, wanna cross them. Anybody.
Now they're standing against the progress and have to carry them come off for road.
Anybody standing that is going to stand on our wheel of progress will cross you. We know they talk with two sides of our mouths. That's what they call it brokers. Talk as it be. And we go to talk as it be. We know they look anybody's face. And if you are a Nigerian politician from southwest, from anywhere, you dey vex say why we dey talk and you dey plot evil against us. In the next 24 hours, you go enter your 6 feet.
Amen. Sharply.
As you enter your 6 feet, your children, your family
They go follow enter.
They go follow. Not trials.
You cannot continue to deal with the people as if you are dealing with animals. With a wicked human being like you. Because of your own selfish interest. Only you go carry money when they say you pay people salary. When people don't suffer put under sun. Only you go carry and put for one account. Say you want me yield interest. Are you not wicked?
Wicked people.
Are you not wicked? That's wickedness on the highest order. Big wickedness. So because we dey talk, some people dey vex. Oga no vex o. Oga no vex. The truth here is, either una take am una leave am. There are 1,000 people that will rise. Una no know. Mona don't know.
We don't speak English rich.
Mona don't know.
We don't. Make I repeat that again. All the lecture hall for Mona close them down. Everybody go back to farm. Now yes so. And when they come, I say, see all the student. What are you studying? University again. Everybody go back to farm. Farm. Mona go learn and work.
Now the matter be that o, and we must talk am the way it be.
Who want verse? Me
We
verse.
talk am the way it be. Me nobody vex. We talk am the way it be. South leaders, may una start una consultation. South leaders, abeg, may una start una consultation. May una start una consultation. Make we know wetin dey table. Else we go start the consultation. We go start the consultation. We go help una do am. May una start consultation. We no wan see Fulani herdsmen for our forest. We wan go farm. We no wan see them for our forest. Make them come for our forest. We wan go farm. And if you be big man, you get cow. Abeg, go help us carry your cow. We no wan see the cow for our forest. Your cow na business. Go rent land or you get land, put them inside. They give them food make they chop. If the southern people say they wan buy your cow, good. But we dey say boycott cow. We no wan eat cow meat again. We get fish enough. As a matter of fact, cow meat
Na poison.
na poison.
They cause cancer.
As a matter of fact, cow dey cause climate change, global warming.
Yes so.
Dey cause am.
Make them go.
More open everything and more talk am.
Cow na serious pollution. In fact, where they take cow, people no fit see that area.
At all.
Na social hospital they go. Social hospital.
At all.
More they open up on the profile.
Our so-called big men will carry cow market go put for middle way of community where people dey live. People no fit talk why because they see say
They get power.
na one big man.
Big man, big for yourself. Perish with your money, irrespective of who you are. Perish with your money. Who na the help? Like say Captain Osa farm, they really get as it be. Now we're not supposed to the water for tomatoes. You don't know.
Yes now.
Tell friend, you know the test boyfriend. Say Captain Osa farm, when he get for a door, he get as supposed to be. And people for a door get access to run. And also some will they complain. Anyway, the farm will feed the people do look at my way. So talk am as it be. No, we dey talk am as it be. We dey talk am as it be. Thank God say Captain Osa get tomatoes farm. Say really open that farm the way supposed be. We don't dey get problem now. We don't dey get problem. No, leave na Biafra people, no bother when they say South, they mean of South. Don't just reply them. So me I don't get what time they say, and they call for una. Because we never use our broker speak against una. And now when they come on our profile, my platform, they write rubbish. Una don't find trouble. Una don't find trouble, and I will give una at the come.
Alright, man, come on my eye for that place. Me I do say I don't see that part. Alright, so in a very nutshell, our simple agitation. Now him be say,
May they go, muna carry that product go.
may una no forget say 3 weeks ago, 4 weeks ago, for some of our broadcasts, when we dey hammer on insecurity, we hammer on food shortage. I possibly remember.
Yeah. People they hear us.
We hammer on food
But
shortage.
some people they follow some they remember what they talk.
Say, as we speak, the level of insecurity is on the rise. And this is the consequence of the level of insecurity. Number one, we go get shortage of food supply. And as such, stakeholders, why? Now I say respect. That's why we know they boycott stakeholders. We always talk about stakeholders. They know themselves that they should do the needful. But in all that, one will take shout. It be like say we just dey shout. Now, the same people when lead the insecurity, na dem come out again say dem no dey secured. They don see as o. Na dem dey lead the insecurity o. Na dem come out say dem no dey secured again, and as such say dem wan boycott food make e no enter the region again.
But I can't have food.
Una see their strategies that dey very 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 wicked.
Come
And
people.
my pain be say leaders from this region go sit down when they go dey plan all these things o.
My brother, no be all of it a planner. Anyway, we don't want to talk. We not go put man for wetin God don't send us. We don't send our message. Mona carry on product go. South leaders, wake up. Empower your people. We don't read book rich. We don't read book rich. We don't do lesson rich. Let us go back to farm. Do everything. But for us to go back to farm, you guys must provide security for the people. We don't want to hear so they go destroy our farmland. That's so they go keep people. We don't want to hear that again. This is time for us to move. Like my person, we don't need audio farm. We don't even need audio farm. We need a practical farm now. Everybody go. Now, so we want to can reach this evening. God will bless all of you now. One last word from Victor. Then we'll call it a day.
Una do well, so una connect with us again today to add mouth to join the matter of discourse when all of us put mouth today to talk about as.
Make we hear things I want to talk. Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Apostle Uyinosa.
Yeah, good evening, sir.
How are you, sir?
I am fine by the
Oh, are you still online?
Yes, sir. We're on live broadcast now. We're barren enough.
Glad, that's good. Victor, how are you?
Very fine, sir. Good evening, sir.
Yeah. In fact, I like your program. I like what you guys are doing.
Thank you, sir.
I just want to contribute a little. You see, wetin spread out our country be say na the oil what we get. You don't tell when we don't dey talk of diversification, but our people don't understand. Apart from the oil issue, maybe very soon it will run dry, and that will be the end of the story. Let me not even go to that area at all. We have men and women of timber and caliber from the south who can embark on this mechanized farming. In this advanced world, we don't do farming with hand anymore. Nobody do farming with hand. It's mechanized farming. If you get tractors and some other stuff, bulldozers and all the rest of it, we have the farm. If they not want to go with their food, let them go with their food. That is not our problem. But the problem we are having now in the south is for our people to go into mechanized farming so that we can be self-sufficient. That is, so not everything we will say, governor, come and give us tractor. Those people here in the diaspora, they know. Those people in diaspora, government don't even intervene in the farming stuff. You understand?
Yes, sir.
So those people who are farmers are in fact, they live in the farm, and when you are in their farm, from where they stand, you cannot see the end because it's mechanized farming. They use machine to do all this stuff. So that is just my contribution, my Mr. Uyinosa.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. Yeah, let me start here so that other people can also contribute.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Have a nice.
Yes, sir. Thank you, everyone. I think we have sent the message. South people, think over this matter. God bless you. Good night.
Thank you.
Abeg, help us share this video and let us know what you think for comment section. If you never subscribe to Dan ARG YouTube, try make you subscribe so that make you for the hear all the things wey dey happen for Nigeria. Make I leave you now with this video, make you help us share am. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.